What's up guys, I'm back here at Car Shack and I'm here just to check out what's happening to Scarlett, but as I came in, I spotted this beautiful white NA right here and I decided on the spot, why not do a feature on this Miata? I mean, it's awesome. So let's take a look at this Miata guys, this NA, this classic. Let's go. What's up again guys, I'm here with the owner of this nice looking white NA. This is Edric. Edric, say hi to everyone there.
Hi. Hello.
Alright, so Edric is the owner of this white NA and I gotta ask man, I mean your NA is looking fresh out of the factory. I mean it's, wow, it's so smooth and shiny and looks like a real classic, man.
Well, actually, I've actually owned this this particular Miata or MX-5 since 2000 actually.
Since 2000?
It's one of the last production run. It's 1998 registered. So that would be the 97, the last year the NA was produced. I bought it from a Frenchman named Pierre Banix, who happened to be going back to France. It was an expat living in Alabang. And then the car had done about 7,000 kilometers, just over 7,000 kilometers.
Okay.
And I snapped it up right away, and then all through the years, I became a member of the Miata Club in 2002, I believe.
2002. Wow.
Yeah,
okay.
around that time, so I've been a member for a long time, and then a host of modifications. But I got into the DMX-5, the Miata, because I like classics. So, but the time I bought it, I was kind of on a budget, so I couldn't really afford the real classic. So I said the MX-5 is a perfect compromise because it's modern enough to be affordable and reliable.
Yeah, yes.
But it actually looks like a Lotus Elana, a classic car. And that was what sold it for me, and I've owned the car ever since.
Okay.
Here it is.
So could you tell us a little bit more about the things you've done to the car? Because obviously, although it looks very fresh, it's not stock anymore. So like maybe we could start off with your rims. What are these rims?
Oh, okay. These are actually local. I've gone through a few sets. I've gone through a few sets over the years, but these are the Panasport lookalikes from Rota wheels. But these are custom. They're actually, I don't know if I should be sharing this, but they're actually staggered. They're wider in the rear than they are in the front. But
So
they're 15
what's the
inch.
size? Yeah.
They're 15 inch. I can't remember how wide they are, but I know there's at least an inch of difference in the width of the wheels. So this is like and this offset is also a special order, I would imagine.
Okay.
Okay, so don't ask me how that happened, but it's on the car now. So the tires in the rear are slightly wider than the fronts. Not so much, but wider. And then as you can see, there are roundels because of the classic car thing. I like the X-Racer look. And then I kept my splash guards, my mud guards. I even have a set for the front, so to give it a more classic look. And I have rollover protection. I have a roll bar.
All right.
Which is 5-point affair from Cusco. Then I changed my wheels so that I would be able to get in and out of the car more easily. So
okay.
Yeah, and then after that there's suspension modifications. We have an exhaust modification, an upgrade from Japan. It's the Fujitsubo exhaust system.
Oh, Fujitsubo.
Fujitsubo, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And then engine modifications. I had a clutch upgrade at some point, but not anymore. And then there's a supercharger. There's I can't remember what else. A bunch of stuff. There's a kill switch inside.
Okay.
In case I go track or racing.
What's the kill switch for?
The kill switch is a safety precaution that allows you to cut power in case of an emergency. Let's say if you crash or you break down in the track, you switch off the kill switch so the marshals can pull you out, and there's no current running through the car, so there's no chance of sparks which can ignite fuel or oil, no fire, because being caught in a car on the track in a fire is one of the worst things, because the fire just envelops you, just spreads quickly. And many people have died that way. Hence the kill switch.
Okay. I noticed that your car sits very well in terms of suspension. Did you do anything on the coilovers and stuff?
Well, these are the Cusco, I think they're called the L Comp 02 suspension. It was an older model in the early to mid 2000s, like that, mid to late 2000s. And it had a very high spring rate, which is perfect for track. But then now, I changed the springs to a softer set, which is more friendly for older people. And it should be more comfortable. I've not driven the car yet, and hopefully it'll be okay. Also, they just put on the LSD, which is like many years overdue, like a decade overdue.
Oh, so this has an LSD already?
Which I've never tried.
Okay.
So we're gonna find out.
All right.
There it is. And it has a name too.
Oh, what's her name?
Around the car it's a he actually.
He. Okay.
Around the car, the time I got this car, the car was called. I was watching Grand Prix Ferrari. I was a Ferrari fan during the time of Michael Schumacher, and then because of that, I decided to call the car Tifosi.
Sorry?
Tifosi.
Tifosi.
Actually, Tifosi Blanca, which is white. So Tifosi.
Tifosi Blanc. So
Blanca.
traces back from its European heritage, from where you got it from a French dude.
Yes. So French, Italian. Now I have British plates made. It's everything. It's very European. From Japan.
From Japan.
Yeah.
Okay. Scarlett also has a Cusco Bits in her. She has a strut bar and coilovers.
That's the name of your car.
Scarlett, yes.
Nice. And see this? This is one of Ramon's inventions for the NA.
What's that?
It's a piece of foam you place here, so you don't have to unzip the rear window.
Oh, okay.
So it keeps it the shape very well.
That's awesome.
Yeah, no, because we go top down, up down, up down.
Yeah.
And then there's even a string that you tie onto this thing.
And the string just to make sure the top just stays in place.
Yeah. You tie it. No, so the foam will stay.
The foam will stay in place. Okay. So there you have it, guys. That was Edric's white NA 1998 model. It's super clean, super fresh, and it has a supercharger and all those Cusco bits and goodies. That's your featured Miata for today. I'm Reynold Gan for Scarlett Miata. Hit that subscribe button, guys, and hit that like button as well. See you next time. Bye-bye.